not once, not twice, but I believe so many times this week I've been out there asking people to join my business opportunity. This could be your first time watching my video, but hey, listen, I'm helping people so they can make additional money working from the comfort of their home. I'm out here today again because time is running out and soon you won't be able to, no matter how bad you want to. Now, why did I risk talking about time to warn you about this? Why? Because you need to see what your life will look like if you implement what is taught in my today's recommended program. Let me give you a glimpse into your future, not joining this program. Just like you have expected this, your life will be the same. You wake up, you get your priorities done, those that exactly don't help you make any more money. You waste time trying to figure out what to do next. Nothing that you try improve your day, your week, or your month. This time next year, I see you sitting at the same spot as you are right now. And that is because I don't see you do anything different to change your life. I can't go into much details, but after joining and implementing a few things that you will learn in this program, oh my God, you will see that it's beyond worth it. You will be able to plan that vacation you wanted to take so badly last year. Your finances will look better. You will keep getting notification from people wanting to work with you, potential partners and clients, and you will be happy this time next year. And this is if you do something to change your life. You will not be feeling limited, bored, or stuck doing the same thing, but you are now doing something way cooler. And I believe this sounds interesting and attractive. But before you get there, you are going to have to click on the link in the description of this video and register for the program to see it yourself. Register now and let's see in the coming months what life has to offer you and your loved ones. In the meantime, smash the like button and the notification bell. It never costs you anything, but truly makes a huge difference for my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. And lastly, go get the links to my recommended program down below in the description. Once you've done that, go get at vmkclick.com some traffic, high quality email traffic to promote your offers. Anytime I'm not posting here, I will be on my second channel. Join VMK. So make sure you are subscribed to both. Link in the description. I love you. Thank you so much for watching and until next time.